What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with another video. And this wig is from Wiggins Hair. She is a 30-inch loose deep wig, and she's kind of special because she is a what you call it a T-part wig. I'll get into more detail a little later on, but I just want to show you everything that comes with this wig. Now, if you look very closely on the inside, the cap construction, you can see there's very minimal lace. So we got a little bit in the middle to do an actual part, and then you have very, very little lace on the side just to do a couple little baby hairs. And this is where the T-part name comes into play. So it's very easy to get the wig prepped. You don't have to really pluck it that much because it's not that much lace, and it's very easy to glue down. If you didn't know, a lot of wigs that are being sold today are wigs that's either has very little lace or has no lace at all, and that's because of COVID. It messed up the lace production, so there is a lace shortage at the moment. So that's why a lot of wigs are made like this, which you really honestly could finesse it to look like a regular lace front wig, so it's really not a big deal. As you can see, you just install this wig the same as you would do a regular lace front. So nothing is really different. It's just a smaller amount of lace. And here I'm just going to pull out the baby hairs to give us a little bit of baby hair in the front. I did pluck the part, so it doesn't come like that, but it's not hard to do that at all. And I'm going to take my Got2b and just swoop the little baby hairs down with that, because I like that the Got2b lets my baby hairs last a lot longer than regular gel / edge control. Next, you just want to apply a scarf. Here, I pulled out a little bit of my baby hairs out on the side just because they didn't really fit back in the wig. So I just pulled them out and swooped them. And you want to just apply your scarf for at least 10 to 20 minutes just to make sure the lace is set. And since this is a loose, deep texture, It's really easy to maintain and to actually get to look cute. Now, if it was a straight wig, I'm very particular about straight wigs and I always want to have it super silked out. This is nothing like that. All you have to do is put water on it and she's bomb. To ensure that the hair doesn't get frizzy, I'm going to take a little mousse and just put her in the top because that's really what I'm worried about, getting frizzy. But this is not essential, but I did find that this does work. So you might want to try this if you don't like frizzy hair. But that's really it for the tutorial. It's really almost like a shake and go wig. Like you literally take it out the box and she's ready to go. If you did want to try this wig out and, figure it out on your own, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Look how pretty this texture is and how full the wig is. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.